Everyone, today I'm going to be taking my boy Elliot to my friend's house, and I'll be saying goodbye to him today. So today is a little sad day, and I had a rough morning this morning. My chicken doors are not working right, that automatically come open, so I kind of slipped down the stairs this morning, so I'm not feeling too great right now, but it's all good. But I'm going to take my boy to my friend's house and then take him over there. Y'all come along. I missed the fella. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get him. So I got him. Here he is, my handsome boy, Elliot. But I'm gonna go ahead and put him in a crate and off we go. It's been a blessing because he was on the stick and I got him right away, and I didn't have to chase him around all the chicken run. So this has been great. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take him to my friend's house. Come on, Elliot. Let's go see you new ladies. Alright, here we go. I know. Okay, puppy. You alright? That be hurt you. I'm sorry. This is Hope. She's going to take care of Elliot, so let's go ahead and put him in a new kennel.
You're going to have girls who do like you and girls that may not, but you got plenty of room to run from girls that don't. Yes, you're going to have lots and lots of room once you get loose.
And Hope, she's the chicken whisperer. She knows a lot about chickens.
She will be fine. On somebody who's new.
Yeah, wait till you see him dance. He dances around in the mornings to impress the ladies. It's funny. Alright, you're gonna be just fine, buddy. He's just gonna have to show this Rooster. Just so pretty. I want more chickens. I just love the way that run.
Yeah, those are English.
I know. You're supposed to come home with me, remember? But you're too big for my area. These are my future chickens right here. We moved to the farm. So I dropped him off, and he's just rolling around in his kennel right now. She's going to keep him there for a couple weeks to kind of get adjusted to the other chickens and everything. So it's a hard thing giving up those babies, but you know, it's the right thing to do. And you know, you got to do what's right for the chickens, and you don't want them to be, you know, not in a bad situation, and just make sure they have a healthy home. So I'm heading back to the house, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all like what my context of my videos are, push subscribe. It would help me out a lot. I would sure appreciate it. God bless, and y'all see you next time. Bye.